Welcome to Art Design. We present a tiny house stroke a pergola design. However, before it's a reminder, support us by hitting the subscriber button below, like our videos, share and comment. We present a small tiny house. It can be used as small farmhouse, vacation home, B&B house. It's wooden to give a natural vibe. It's one way of connecting our visitors with nature. It's surrounded by water to give the cool effect. We also have a pergola design is suitable for home backyards, hotels, etc. It's wooden and extends to a natural water body. In this river, it makes you feel one with nature. Please contact us for services. You can either WhatsApp the number or text call the number. Thank you so much.